So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about LTI Mindtree interview preparation, like how to prepare for the interview. All of you might receive the interview link from LTI Mindtree by 28 September. I have attached the screenshot below. You can refer to that. The interview will be scheduled on different days for each candidate. I will be sharing some useful tips for you to prepare. For the particular candidate, the interview window from October 3, 2025, from 9 a.m. to October 4, 2025, 8:59 a.m. Test link will remain open for continuous 24 hours. So let's move forward. How to prepare. First of all, congratulations to all the shortlisted candidates selected for the technical interview. As per the previous year data, after you clear the technical round, you will get the HR round mails. As it is a graduate engineer trainee role, they will check your resume related skills, basic to medium coding skills, basic SQL queries, project related questions. See the pattern of previous year interview experience to know that what pattern they are asking. And AI interview is mostly similar to the pattern. So most AI interview patterns are based on the resume as same as the virtual interview. So those skills in which you are most confident, only mention those skills. I'll show you below the technical and HR round questions according to the 2025 and 2024 data so that you will get a little bit idea about it and prepare for it. So all the best to you guys. Best wishes from me. So let's move forward to the interview experiences. It is interview experience 1. Duration is 22 to 25 minutes. The technical interview started with tell me something about yourself. Tell me machine learning projects in details. What inspires you to start projects? Tell types of machine learning, formulas of precision and recall. What is an interface? How it is different from the abstract class? What is polymorphism? Types of polymorphism. What is constructor and destructor? Types of constructor. What is method overloading and method overriding? Coding question is write a code in the chat box or notepad by sharing your screen the median of an array. Then what are the types of joins and write a SQL query. Just write a SQL query to find the second highest salary about EDL, DML and DCL commands. Drop, truncate, delete difference, essay properties. Write a query to find all countries name that starts with M. Do you have any questions for me? That's all about the interview experience 1 for the technical interview. Then after that technical interview, the HR interview. HR interview started with introduce yourself, tell me about your projects in brief, about LTI Mindtree, why you choose CSC, where do you see yourself after 5 years, ready to relocate, are you open to all technologies, and do you have any questions for me? Then coming to the interview experience 2, duration is 21 minutes, technical interview. Tell me something about yourself, tell me about most recent project, what is your role in the project, linear search or binary search, which is faster, explain mobile search. Difference between stack and queue. Explain stack and queue with real-life applications. Operation of stack data structure. Then moving to the next one. Duration is 10 minutes for the HR interview. Introduce yourself. Walk me through your resume. How do you handle stress? About LTI Mindtree. How would you describe yourself in 3 words? Which subject did you find the most challenging during your academics and why? Ready to relocate? Any questions? Still don't know how to prepare? Our team created an ebook especially for you guys who are preparing for LTI Mindtree GET role. The book covers all the interview experiences from 2024 and 2025 batch candidates. The book is on Topmate platform. The ebook name is 20 plus real LTI Mindtree interview experiences. Price is only and only 29 rupees. It is very affordable and accessible for each of the student. Link is given in the description box and extra 10% off by using our code NEW1 in all courses and mock interviews. NEW1 is the code to get extra 10% off. It is the 20 plus real LTI Mindtree interview experiences. Crack LTI Mindtree placements interview with 20 plus real experiences. It covers HR and technical rounds in detail, includes a set of commonly asked interview coding questions to sharpen your preparation, proven tips and strategies to boost your confidence and selection, affordable and accessible for every aspiring candidate. So let's move further. If you want to prepare mock for L&T company for the role graduate engineer training to face the real pressure and build the confidence, you can book a video mock interview session with us. Track name is LTI Mindtree Mock Interview Practice. I will put the link in the description. Price is only and only 49 rupees for 20 minutes. It covers both technical and HR round and it provides a feedback. Extra 10% off by applying our code NEW1. Applicable for all courses and mock interviews. What it covers? LTIMindtree mock interview practices that covers HR interview, technical interview, and a basic feedback report based on your interviews. I have taken all the above screenshots that the interview experiences from the ebook mentioned above. If you want, I will put the link in the description box. The book covers more than 20 plus real interview experiences with most common coding questions asked in mostly service-based companies. So let's move further. We previously also conducted mock interviews for TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, etc. There are so many candidates who also got selected by taking mock interview with us. For this, you can check out YouTube community post or visit our Topmate platform. The decision is totally yours. If you want to practice from the ebook, you can take the ebook. Or if you want to practice from the video mock interview session, you can book the video mock interview session with us. If anyone is interested, I will put in the link in the description of the video. Or if you are not able to decide what to buy or not, connect with me on the Topmate in the Ask Me Anything session. That is absolutely free of cost. For this video, it is absolutely free of cost. I will put the link in the description box. So let's move further. Interview experience 5. The duration is 25 minutes. Technical interview started with introduce yourself, about your full stack project details, which database did you use and why. What are the access modifiers in Java? What is super keywords in Java? Difference between heap and stack memory in Java. And the coding question is find the GCT of two number. Only tell the logic of the Armstrong number, difference between SQL and NoSQL, DBMS and RDBMS difference, what are transactions, ACID properties, explain referential integrity, data redundancy and data dependency difference between OLFE and OLTP, difference between double E and single linked list, SQL query. Write SQL query to face employees earning maximum salary in each department. What is abstraction? Difference between abstract class and interface, why data hiding is important, and any question for you. And the HR duration is 8 minutes. That covers introduce yourself. How do you describe yourself in 3 words? What are your strengths? How do you spend your leisure time? Why should you hire you? Are you ready to relocate? And let's move further to the interview experience 10. Duration is 20 minutes. Technical interview. Tell me something about yourself. SQL queries display employees' name in uppercase. SQL query 2 find employees with salaries greater than the average salary. JDK, JVM, and JRE difference. Why Java is platform independent? What is bytecode? Coding is reverse string. What is encapsulation? What are types of inheritance? And any question for me. Then the HR interview is 10 minutes. Introduce yourself. Tell me about a time you faced a difficult situation. How do you handle criticism? What are your strengths? Are you open to learning new technology? Are you more of a leader or a follower? Any questions? Now I am giving you a short glimpse of the ebook, and here it is. It covers 20 plus real interview experiences along with the most commonly asked coding questions that are frequently asked in service-based companies. So if you want to, so that's all about the interview experiences. If you would like to purchase the ebook or join the video mock interview session with us, you can book. I will put the link in the description box. For any doubts or queries, feel free to comment or reach out to me on Topmate platform. Absolutely free. Wishing you all the very best to all the candidates who are preparing for this role. And thanks for watching.